Okay, today we're going to add the glitter back in my hair. I took it out because I had to redo my roots a couple weeks ago. Now I want to put the glitter back in. I got it done at the mall a while ago, and they're those hair tinsel, I can't even say the word right, that's right, but they're those glitter extensions, and I really like them, so I'm going to put them back in my hair. So this is what I used. This I already had the glitter strands and the clamps. This is the kit that these came in, or the bead strands. So, very helpful. I guess you could improvise a tool kind of like this. There are plenty like needle threaders and other stuff that work the same way. But I got it from this. A pair of pliers to squeeze the clamps, a clip to hold over my hair, and a comb to split it and get the right parts. Okay, that was it. Oops, no screen. My bangs are a mess. But I find my part. Got that. Take a super tiny little layer. Super thin. Lay it over. That little layer is going to hide the little clips. I'm doing 2 on this side, 3 on this side. So I'm taking this little thing. Oh, bird. Wants to be around everything. Okay. These are the double strands, double length. Just push it in. Once it gets to the edge, I'm just going to tie it in a knot. It'll stay on. It's ready to go in your hair. Okay? So that's how to do it yourself. So first, you put this on the tool. This is my tool. I got it from this. I've had this forever. I think it was my mom's. These are the tools for the beading. So squeeze that on. And if you put your hair through the loop and pull it through, your hair's going to go in the clip. So a tiny little bit of hair right next to the part you fold over. Put my hair through the loop. I'm really close to my scalp. Push this up. Pull. Well, it's tight. It's a tight fit. It's on my hair. Okay. You take a pair of pliers and just pinch it. And squeeze it. Okay. Now the glitter's in there. Okay. So this is the one back here. And one up here. Okay. That's pretty good. This little layer comes back. Hides the clips mostly, but down here you should see this glitter still show through. See right here, and wherever the top bone is.